dude. Now let me tell y'all something. Why? Since Bob want to bring Scotty up, look, for the record, because a lot of guys on that video I posted with Scotty, you don't know Jack. That video has gotten a lot of views. You know what it tells me? And look, let me tell y'all this. I mean, I'm getting off track. Let me tell y'all this. I click on, I see the comments. I can't respond to all of them because I'm always on my phone and I can't type in what I really want. I really like when I'm on a computer because I can click the person that responds, go to his stuff and see what up. A lot of the guys, now that I'm on a computer, a lot of the guys that I went to are subscribers of Scotty. So I don't know if his name being in the headline pulling them over or what. Now, one guy think I'm dogging out Scotty. I had to make sure he understood. Look, this is just, I heard him say something wrong and I'm letting y'all know that he's wrong. I have no problem with Scotty. I have no problem. Now, a lot of people will comment, Scotty just run his mouth talking travel. He don't know what he's talking about. That's on you. That's your opinion of him. I grade Scotty from a content creator standpoint, not a do you know what the hell you talking about standpoint. Okay, so from a YouTube content creator, he got the game on lock. All right, he's whoever running this stuff, whoever his man. If all I know, it could be him. Scotty could be on Photoshop or Google or whatever, making all those. I don't know, but I judge Scotty from a content creator standpoint, not a DIY guy, not even a mechanic. I have no clue what the freak Scotty talking about sometimes. I can't make out what he's saying, why he's saying what he's saying, but I do know the intention of his video is to create a view. All right, that's content creator to content creator. I understand that part. That's the only thing, me personally, I would judge him from. Now, there are some DIY guys out there really looking for information, really want to know. My partner at Brother Motors, he said he had a CVT problem. He punched in CVT problem. Scotty video came up. He's like, yeah, I thought I was going to learn something. And all I saw was, okay, you're judging him from the standpoint of what he know mechanically. All right. I can almost guarantee you, Scotty don't know jack about this new stuff. And that is not dogging him out. Okay. Again, I'm not judging Scotty from a mechanical standpoint, but I'm looking at numbers. Okay, what is this guy doing? Okay, well, that's how he doing it. Okay, well, damn. Okay, he made his thumbnail look like this, and look how many views that drew. Or, damn, okay, Scotty ain't talking about shit on this. I haven't learned not one. It doesn't matter. This video, 2 million views. How the hell he just pointing to, okay, wait a minute. He got an arrow point and he got a word up here. It simply says secret. Is that what drew? What? My point is, guys, I'm tripping, but my point is, content creator is what your content creating skills is what, man, who got me on this? Bob, shame on you, man. I didn't mean to go on no 15-minute freaking talk about. Let me move on, guys. Bob, thanks for jumping on, man. Watching. I appreciate you. Scotty Kilmer have 47 years of experience. Whoa, wait a minute. Scotty Kilmer support team. Y'all hear that? Man, you can't just make up a YouTube channel and call yourself Scotty Kilmer support team, right? Because Scotty big. Scotty is huge, right? So you can't create a channel. So this obviously coming from Scotty Kilmer support team. Now, look at this. Scotty, I want y'all to hear this. I want y'all to listen to this. And I hope these guys was listening what I was saying earlier about I have no problem with Scotty Kilmer. Please understand, I have no problem with Scotty Kilmer. Okay, from content creator to content creator, the dude is all right with me. All right, now some of the guys complain about what he's saying, what he talk about, and blah blah this blah clickbait, all that. I ain't got no problem with that. So look, now I sound like a little bitch, don't it? All right, no, that's not what I'm doing. Scotty Kilmer support team. Do y'all see this? I want to make sure everybody see this. There's no way I can make this highlight this even bigger than what it is. Okay, but I will, however, use this as a whatever. Do y'all? I got I got 40 freaking people in here, right? I want everybody to understand what we're looking at. This came from Scotty Kilmer support team. All right. Read the bottom part of that. All right. So now, if anybody have said, or even me, I question his knowledge on the newer stuff. That's all I did. I like, maybe because this stuff coming out now, the guys that's in it now, even at the dealer, haven't gotten a grasp hold on it because it's so advanced. It's hard to, but we ain't talking about that. We talking about years of experience. And according to Scotty Kilmer support team, Scotty Kilmer have 47 freaking years of experience. That's more than some of us been alive. So if anybody got any questions on Scotty Kilmer experience, 14. All I want to do is ask him why the constant bashing of the FCA product. That's all. I just want direct. PT Cruiser, I give him that. Okay, go ahead and dog it out. Whatever. I mean, yes, it had its problem. The car is done. We're done with that. But this new stuff is coming out. Mr. Support Team, Mr. Scotty Kilmer support team, why the constant bashing of the product? Okay, we are the king of muscle cars. FCA, the Charger Scat Pack, 6.2 supercharger, we the muscle car. Everything starts with FCA from a muscle. So we have the most muscles in the whole freaking automotive industry. All right, no one can compete with FCA from a muscle standpoint. All right, you even bash that out. I don't get it. So only real huge question I have, or why the constant bashing? That's all I'm saying. And I'm obviously going off the script. So had I known this guy would jump on, or whoever this is, I would have prepared statement. But I am totally going off the script. I'm even over my time for being online. But I don't care. I want to get that out there in the open. So hopefully the support team. Now I have my suspicions on why the constant bashing. Okay, I have my suspicion. It's a content creator thing. That's. But do you really mean the stuff that you're saying? Are you really suggesting that everything FCA make is garbage? All right, where my freaking shades? Whoever that is on the support team, man, thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. But my blood pressure just went up a little bit. All right. Okay. Man, I'm tripping. This is Scotty Kilmer support team. Scotty Kilmer support team. Where's Scotty, man? I want to see Scotty, man. My hero. Okay. Let the Scotty hate begin. No. Y'all it's not about to hate Scotty. All right. Y'all gonna get a technical. Y'all gonna get a comment from the support. What was that? Scotty Kilmer support team. Y'all saw that. Y'all saw what he had said. Hey, he kept it simple and basic. Look, suckers, all you scrubs out there. For the record, Scotty Kilmer has 47 years experience. Okay. Any more questions? He was like that. Anybody got something to say? What? That's basically what that comment was saying. So y'all heard what he said. All right, man, I'm tripping, man. No, Corey, it will be no Scotty Kilmer hate going on online mechanic tip. All right. I want to interview with Scotty. I want to talk with Scotty. Y'all is not going to blow my chances to meet the world's biggest automotive YouTube channel. Or is it Chris Fix? I don't know who the biggest. All right. And I say biggest, not the most knowledgeable. All right. So let's distinguish those two. All right. You can be a huge channel and you can be a very knowledgeable. They're just different. So I want to hear from the hugest of huges. All right.